In the ever-evolving landscape of self-expression and personal identity, individuals are breaking free from societal norms and standing proudly in their truth. One such group is the Sissy community, a vibrant and diverse collective that embraces femininity as a powerful force of self-empowerment. What does it mean to be a sissy? It goes beyond mere gender expression. It's about unapologetically embracing one's authentic self, celebrating both masculinity and femininity in all its glorious forms. For many sissies, makeup serves as an incredible tool for channeling their inner diva and expressing their unique sense of style. Makeup transcends boundaries, allowing these individuals to embody different aspects of themselves with each brush stroke or lip shade swipe. From bold eyeshadow palettes to luscious lipsticks, makeup has become an essential medium through which modern sissies can paint their own canvas of beauty. But this isn't just about conforming to society's standards or playing dress-up. No, it's far deeper than that. By exploring the transformative power of cosmetics, makeup becomes an avenue for unlocking newfound confidence, for building bridges between communities who have long been marginalized or misunderstood. It's about embracing every facet of oneself unapologetically while challenging assumptions and defying stereotypes along the way. Stay glamorous with must-have products for modern sissies. You're invited on a journey where ordinary conventions are shattered, replaced by bold palettes and audacious brushes wielded dexterously by those on a quest for authenticity and liberation. So whether you're part of this extraordinary community or simply curious about exploring makeup as means of self-discovery, get ready to embark on an adventure where vibrancy knows no bounds. The world of sissy makeup is ever-evolving, and it's essential to stay ahead of the trends to ensure your look is cutting-edge in 2024. This year, we can expect some exciting developments in color schemes, techniques, and styles that will elevate your glam game. One trend set to make waves in 2024 is the rise of holographic makeup. Imagine a futuristic world where your cheekbones shimmer with opalescent hues or your eyelids glisten like prisms under club lights. Holographic eyeshadows, highlighters, and lip colors are all the rage among beauty enthusiasts seeking an otherworldly touch to their makeup looks. Embrace this trend by experimenting with iridescent pastels for an ethereal effect, or go bold with vibrant neon shades that transport you straight into a cyberpunk fantasy. Another standout trend for 2024 is graphic liner. This edgy statement-making technique takes traditional winged eyeliner to new heights by transforming it into a canvas for artistic expression. From geometric patterns to intricate illustrations inspired by art movements like surrealism or cubism, there are no limits when it comes to graphic liner. Add drama and flair to your eyes with bold strokes and let them tell a story. Whether it's abstract modern art or whimsical fairy tales, let your creativity shine through on those lids. As we move forward into the future of sissy makeup aesthetics in 2024, explore these emerging trends that incorporate holographics and graphic liners into our cosmetic vocabulary. The constant evolution of color schemes, techniques, and styles ensures that there will always be something fresh and exciting waiting just around the corner, so don't hesitate. Jump on board now, because being ahead of the curve means embracing innovation while expressing yourself authentically through cosmetics. Before applying any makeup, it is essential to have a well-prepared canvas. Start with a skincare routine that suits your skin type. For those with dry skin, opt for a hydrating cleanser that helps retain moisture. Foaming or gel-based cleansers work best for oily and combination skin by controlling excess oil production. Don't forget to include gentle exfoliation once or twice weekly to remove dead skin cells and reveal a smoother complexion. Finding the perfect foundation can be challenging, but there are brands out there prioritizing diverse representation. Look for inclusive options that provide shades suitable for various skin tones and textures. Whether you prefer lightweight formulas or full coverage, these brands offer an extensive range of foundations designed to match non-binary sissy individuals as well. To address specific concerns faced by some in the non-binary sissy community, it's important to find concealers and color correctors that cater to individual needs. Whether it's neutralizing redness or reducing the appearance of dark circles caused by lack of sleep or stress, choose products specially formulated for these common issues. For everyday wear, look for eyeshadow palettes with versatile shades that easily transition from day to night looks. Opting for neutral tones ensures flexibility while still creating dimension on the eyelids. Mascara is key in defining feminine eyes. Finding one that lengthens and volumizes without clumping is essential. Add extra drama by mastering subtle winged eyeliner techniques. False lashes are great alternatives when looking for natural yet dramatic enhancements. Choose softer styles made from human hair like fibers. To achieve authentic-looking fluttery lashes. Bring your face shape alive with blushes and bronzers specifically chosen according to your undertones and personal preferences. Statement style? A touch of blush adds warmth while bronzer effortlessly contours facial features. Find shades that complement your skin tone, whether it's a delicate pop of pink or a sun-kissed glow. Finish your everyday look with versatile lip colors suitable for any occasion. From rosy nudes to bold reds or even playful purples, there is a shade for every mood and expression. Seek long-lasting formulas that won't need constant touch-ups throughout the day while maintaining hydration and comfort on the lips. When it comes to special occasions, you want your eye makeup to make a statement. Step up your game by incorporating glitter, pigments, and bold colors into your look. These elements add dimension and sparkle that will catch everyone's attention as soon as you walk into the room. Experiment with different eyeshadow techniques like cut creases or halo eyes to create more elaborate looks. Don't be afraid to mix and match shades for a unique effect that will truly showcase your creativity. To truly enhance your features under different lighting conditions during special events, invest in highlighters and contour palettes. The right highlighter shade will give your skin that ethereal glow while accentuating the high points of your face like the cheekbones and Cupid's bow. Contour powders or creams can help define and sculpt areas such as the jawline or nose, creating a more refined appearance in photographs or under spotlights. The last thing you want when attending a special occasion is having to constantly touch up your lipstick. Opt for long-wearing lip products that will stay put throughout the night without fading or feathering. Liquid lipsticks are an excellent choice as they dry down matte, providing hours of wear without smudging or transferring onto glasses and other surfaces. Look for formulas with comfortable textures so you can dance the night away without feeling any discomfort on your lips. To ensure all of your hard work and effort doesn't melt away during a long event, consider using setting sprays or powders to lock everything in place. Setting sprays act as a protective barrier over makeup while also helping it adhere better to the skin for extended wear time. Powders can further mattify certain areas prone to shine, such as the T-zone, ensuring that everything stays flawless from start to finish. By following these special occasion essentials, you'll be ready to turn heads and feel confident at any event. Remember to have fun with your makeup. Experiment with different techniques and products, and most importantly, embrace your own unique style. One major shift we've seen in the beauty industry over recent years is a growing emphasis on inclusivity, and this includes offering a wide range of shade options for all skin tones. Gone are the days when finding the perfect foundation match was like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Thanks to forward-thinking makeup brands, individuals with deeper or lighter complexions can now find products that flatter their unique undertones. Brands such as Fenty Beauty by Rihanna have revolutionized the definition of diversity within the industry. With its extensive shade range, it has set an example for other brands to follow suit and diversify their product offerings. In response to consumer demand, many mainstream cosmetic companies have expanded their shade ranges as well. However, it's important not only to focus on just color inclusivity but also on providing accessible products for people with differing needs. This means catering specifically to individuals with specific skin concerns or conditions such as eczema or acne-prone skin. Brands that take into account diverse skincare needs demonstrate true inclusiveness and offer solutions that empower everyone's journey towards feeling beautiful and confident. By embracing a wider range of shades and catering to specific skin concerns, these inclusive makeup brands showcase how diversity should be celebrated rather than marginalized within the beauty community. It sets a precedent for others in the industry to follow suit so that every individual feels seen, valued, and represented by makeup brands they choose to support. Now that we have explored the world of Sissy makeup essentials for 2024, it's time to recap some key tips and product recommendations that will help you express yourself with confidence. Remember, makeup is not just about enhancing your features but also a powerful tool for self-expression and embracing your true self. Firstly, always prioritize skincare before diving into the world of cosmetics. A good skincare routine ensures a flawless canvas to work on. Invest in a hydrating moisturizer, gentle cleanser, and SPF to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Next, foundation is an essential step in creating a smooth complexion. Opt for lightweight formulas that provide seamless coverage without caking or appearing heavy on the skin. Consider products with added skincare benefits like hydration or built-in sun protection. When it comes to eye makeup, don't be afraid to experiment. From soft neutral tones for everyday wear to bold shimmering shades for special occasions, eyeshadow palettes are where you can truly showcase your creativity. Play around with different textures and finishes such as metallics or mattes to achieve diverse looks. To complete the look, never underestimate the power of a well-defined brow and voluminous lashes. Brow powders or pencils can create natural-looking arches, while mascara or false lashes add drama and allure. Lastly, let's not forget about lips. The choice between glossy pouts or vibrant matte hues remains yours. Explore various lipsticks and lip gloss options that resonate best with your style aesthetic. In conclusion, by using these key tips along with our recommended products mentioned throughout this video, you can embark on an exciting journey of self-expression through Sissy makeup confidently. Remember always, there are no limitations when it comes to exploring femininity through beauty-enhancing tools like makeup. So go ahead, sport those stunning smoky eyes at brunch dates or rock bold statement lips during evening soirees. The world is your glamorous runway. Embrace your true self and shine with confidence.